Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the first video of our portfolio building series for 2025. If you are a designer, whether self-taught or just starting out, or even if you are been in the game for a while, a portfolio is something you cannot skip. So today we are breaking down why every designer needs a portfolio, no matter where you are in your career. Let's dive into that. Portfolio is more than just a collection of pretty pictures or project screenshots. Your portfolio is your personal brand. How you communicate your skills, your process, and who you are as a designer. When someone's looking at your portfolio, they are not just seeing the work you have done. They are seeing your potential. Your portfolio is your chance to showcase what makes you different from every other designer out there in the market. Now, let's talk about why having a portfolio is going to be even more important in 2025. The design world is evolving faster than ever, and companies aren't just hiring designers who can create. They want designers who can innovate, adapt, and solving the problems. Recruiters and clients want to see that you are ready for the future. Whether it's designing for an artificial intelligence or AI, working with augmented reality or AR, or creating voice-based interfaces. Your portfolio should reflect that you are not only up to date with today's trends, but also ready to take on tomorrow's challenges. In 2025, a portfolio isn't just a job recruitment. It's a proof that you are thinking ahead. You want to show you have got what it takes to design experiences for the next generations of users. So, how do you stand out? Well, your portfolio should tell a story about how you solve the problems. Let's be real. Anyone can create a nice looking interfaces, but it's how you arrive at that final design that sets you apart. That's why every designer, whether you are into UX, UI, graphic design or anything in between, needs to make sure their portfolio doesn't just show their final product. It should highlight the process, your iterations and how you solve the problems in a creative manner. Remember, design isn't just about what you make, it's about how you think. And your portfolio is the best place to show that off. Here is the thing, a portfolio is more than just a gallery of your work. It's a catalyst for your career as well. So it's how you land your next job, get freelance clients, even you build the collaborations with other designers. It's what people use to decide whether they want to work with you or not. Now, I know building a portfolio can feel overwhelming, especially if you are self-taught or don't have a formal design experience. That's where our portfolio building course comes in. We guide you step by step on how to build a future-proof portfolio that showcases your unique process, helps you stand out from the crowd and gets you noticed by recruiters in 2025. In this course, we will help you to build a portfolio that's more than just a gallery of design. It's your story, your brand, and your career catalyst. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos in this portfolio building series. Next up, we will break down the difference between the case studies and mini projects and your full portfolio. So stay tuned.